The Atom and Bond Coloring panel allows you to apply a new color to all or some of the workspace atoms and bonds, or to use predefined or user-defined schemes to color specific atom groups. Go to the Workspace menu and choose Atom and Bond Coloring. To apply a single color scheme to some or all atoms or bonds in the workspace, you can use the Tools in the Atom Color or Bond Color tab. These tabs contain a color palette in the By Palette subtab and a list of color names in the By Name subtab. Select a color from the palette, then use the picking tools in the Apply Current Color section to apply the color to selected atoms or bonds. Alternately, click All to apply the color to all atoms in the workspace. To customize the colors, select a color in the color palette and click Edit. Here, you can define a new color with the standard color chooser. When you're happy with your color, click OK. You can also apply a color from the Color Residue by Constant Color button menu in the Representation toolbar. Pick Residues to apply the color, or double-click the button to apply the color to all atoms. To apply coloring to some or all workspace atoms using one of Maestro's predefined color schemes, or to define and use a custom color scheme yourself, you can use the Tools in the Color Scheme tab. Select the desired scheme name in the list and then use the picking tools to select the atoms you wish to color, or click the All button to apply the selected color scheme to all atoms in the workspace. You can also apply a color scheme to all atoms in the workspace using the drop-down menu of the Color All Atoms by Scheme button, which is in the Representation toolbar. To create and edit color schemes, use the buttons at the right of the Color Scheme tab of the Atom and Bond Coloring panel. Specifically, to edit a color scheme, select it in the list and click Edit. To add a new rule, defined by ASL or Atom Selection Language expressions, click New. A new rule is added to the end of the table. To change the color for a given rule, click the Color cell and choose a new color in the Choose Color dialog box. To change the workspace background color, go to the Workspace menu and select Appearance, then select the Background tab. Choose a color in the By Palette subtab, or select a color by name in the By Name subtab.